In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset chart on TradingView mobile app. Now, the first thing you have to do is reset your chart view and scaling. So first, you want to go and open your chart. Then you want to go to the right-hand side where basically you can see your price axis, and you want to double tap anywhere on it, okay? So double tap anywhere, and as you can see, it's going to go back to default. It's going to reset, and then what you want to do is actually go to the bottom, so at the very bottom where you can see the time axis, and you want to double tap that as well, and there we go. That's gonna reset as well, okay? So that's the first two things you have to do. After you do that, you also want to go to the bottom right where you can see there's like the settings cogwheel. So at the very bottom right of your screen, tap on that. There we go. Then over here you want to scroll down and you can see more settings at the very bottom. Tap on these and then tap on the back arrow at the top left. And then from here you can see all the settings. Of course, if you've changed any of these colors, don't worry, because you can simply tap on the three dots at the bottom left and tap on apply defaults. Whenever you do that and press OK, you'll see that your chart has now been reset and it's now in basically kind of the default view. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.